everyone. Nice to see you all. Hi Ramila, hi Chitra, hi Pranab. How's everyone doing? Hi Priyanka, Nandini, welcome back. If some of you joined my last cooking class, welcome back. If not, nice to meet you. What are we cooking? We're going to do a pasta with broccoli sauce. A creamy broccoli sauce with a bit of cheese and very healthy. I'm going to make broccoli taste really delicious. It's great for your kids. It's great for you. I'm going to teach you how to make some pasta. Very exciting and very healthy. Stay tuned. We'll just wait for a few more people to join in. How's everyone doing today? So before we get started, I have some great news. My name is Natasha and sorry, just a minute. My name is Natasha and you've never cooked pasta, Nikhil. So I'm doing this myself, yeah, so just be a little patient. So welcome back. My name is Natasha and I'm a chef. I'm based in Bangalore at the moment. And I have some very exciting news for you. So you can follow me at my page, Cucina Mia by Natasha. That's C-U-C-I-N-A by Natasha. My team will join in very soon. But I want to announce that I have just launched my cookbook. This is just a sample of the cover. Fast, fresh, flavorful, everyday meals made easy. It's a vegetarian cookbook with international flavors from all over the world using Indian ingredients. You can buy it through my website, cucinamiabynatasha.com. Marika, are you there? Can you type it in? Or you can go to my website, to our Facebook page, Cucina Mia by Natasha, and order it through there. We just launched it yesterday, so I'm really excited to share it with you. Fast, fresh, flavorful. It's literally what it says, yeah? Can you all hear me? Can you all hear me? Just give me a thumbs up. Yeah? Right, so let's get going. Just check your own Wi-Fi connection as well. I hope you can all hear me. Okay, so we're doing pasta. Marika, just type in what we're doing. We're, great, let's get going then. I'm gonna get the dish going and yeah, so do remember, so here's my pan, okay, and 1 teaspoon rather of olive oil goes in, okay. Now what I have is hi Pramila, I have some broccoli, just some broccoli which I have steamed or boiled. You just cook it, okay? You can steam it or boil it. If you can't hear me, the video recording will be recorded so you can watch it later again. So there you go, that's my broccoli already cooked, okay? So I'm going to make a sauce out of broccoli. I've got 1 teaspoon olive oil gone in. Just reduce the heat, it's getting a bit hot. I have some garlic, just some minced garlic, 2 cloves of minced garlic, okay? Into the pan. Just give that a stir. Some chili flakes. Okay, so if you want to spice it up, if you're making it for kids, don't add the chili flakes. Otherwise, let's get it nice and spicy, okay? Because I know you all like your mirchi. And you just make a chili oil. It's burning a bit, so I'll add a bit of water because I was talking too much. Okay, so a nice base of garlic and chilies. If you have any questions, hi, I'm very well, Indrajit, how are you? And that's called cooking. I have broccoli, it's about 1 broccoli, okay? Please move the camera towards you. The camera is pretty close to me. Is that better? I'll just talk louder, I guess. Yeah, The camera is at the edge of my kitchen table. Okay, so there you go. In goes the broccoli in the pan. I'll just close all the doors. Okay, so broccoli in the pan. Give it a nice toss with that garlic and that chili. In goes some salt. Okay, and some pepper. We've got some nice flavorful broccoli in there. With the olive oil, the garlic, the chili, the pepper, everything. Okay, broccoli is local. I use everything local, locally grown, local sabzis, local ingredients, nothing imported. Okay, so that's the broccoli. Put it off the heat. It's already cooked. Remember, I told you the broccoli is either boiled or steamed, so it's already cooked. I've just added in a bit of flavor. So that's the broccoli. Okay, and it's nice and fresh. I want you to understand, I did boil this broccoli, but you see the color, the green, it's nice and fresh. It's not overcooked, so you don't want to overcook your broccoli. You want a nice bright green color, right? Okay, blender, just a simple blender, mixie jar. We put half the broccoli inside and half we leave as it is. Okay, you're going to see how quick this is. Once you have your broccoli cooked, and if you have the pasta pre-cooked, dinner time, just put it together. So there you go. And this broccoli, I'm just going to take it out once into another bowl. And in the end, we're going to put cheese and milk and make it nice and creamy so that it all comes together really well. Okay, I'm going to blend this broccoli with a little bit of water. Okay, just about 2 tablespoons of water, and then we'll see if we need more. So in my blender, alone at home in times of coronavirus. So yeah, look at this. Creamy, that's a nice creamy broccoli paste. Look at this. Okay, so pasta in a creamy broccoli sauce, that's what we are doing. So you've got a nice broccoli puree over here. Now this goes back in the pan. I'll just add a little more water and blend it a little further, or it's actually fine. I'll just... Give me a moment while I scrape this out. Any questions? Those of you who came late, I was just telling the others that I've just launched my book, just published my book yesterday. It's called Fast, Fresh, Flavorful. Just click onto our Facebook page, go onto our Facebook page or Instagram page. We're on Instagram by the same name, Cucina Mia by Natasha, and you can buy it there. This is one of the recipes in the book. Lots of quick, easy recipes, vegetarian. So I've got the sauce here. I'm just gonna add in a little milk to make it creamy. Amul milk, of course. We only have Amul milk here. So a little Amul milk to make it nice and creamy. Get all that chili and garlic from the pan, all that flavor back. A little bit of water to adjust the consistency. Okay, I need to taste it, to taste the salt. So I'm just gonna taste it. Salt is perfect. A little more maybe. So I'll just add a little more salt and just warm it up to get it to the right consistency. Any questions, folks? Okay. So you see how quick and easy this is. In goes, I've got some cooked pasta. Pasta cooked, not overcooked, cooked just right with a little bit of olive oil, okay? So you toss your pasta in. And then you toss, you remember we had left some broccoli. Hi Sheetal. We put that broccoli back into the pasta. Give it all a nice toss. Let me just clear it out a bit. There you go. So give this all a nice toss. Just gentle, don't overcook the pasta. Look at the sauce should coat your pasta. Yeah, those of you who like to cook or want to learn to cook Italian food the right way, you see how the sauce is coating the pasta, because you don't want it when you take a pasta piece, it all drips on your t-shirt. Okay, it needs to put the heat off. Don't overcook it. Put the heat off. I want to add just a little more water to make it a little fluid. Just a bit of warm water, yeah, always warm water. You see the pasta is not breaking, the broccoli is there, it's all intact. In goes my cheese, it's in my fridge. I'm using the Amul pizza cheese, yeah. I'm using Amul pizza cheese. That goes in. So you've got the goodness of broccoli. Broccoli is filled with iron. It's got loads of vitamins. And it's such a delight. You can do the same dish with spinach. You can do the same dish with zucchini, with peas. You can even combine spinach and broccoli, or broccoli and peas. Any kind of combination of green vegetables that you like. And that's it. It's nice and cheesy. The cheese will melt. And we can add a little more pepper on top, a little more olive oil. Just some extra virgin olive oil, or any kind of oil, just some olive oil on top. And I'm going to actually plate up for you. Just give me a moment while I get a nice plate. And that's it. So minutes, pasta is normally, you bring the water to a boil. How do we cook pasta? I'm going to tell you how to cook pasta. You bring the water up to a boil, and then you cook it for about, the packet, each pasta is different, in each shape and brand is different. The packet will usually tell you how many minutes. So this is a pasta for two, yeah? So this is about one person's, one portion, and we do another plate for another portion. So that's one pasta. It's about 10 minutes. Pasta takes about 10 minutes to cook. Okay? And you see, it shouldn't be breaking. Every pasta piece is still intact. It's looking nice. A little chili flakes on top. If you want a little extra cheese on top, this is Amul mozzarella, Amul pizza cheese, yeah, or Amul mozzarella cheese. And it's perfect. Look at that. You've got the healthy, yeah, it's healthy, it's delicious. Broccoli is made nice and creamy. You won't even know. So if your kids are fussy, just give it to them without, put some extra sauce and give it to them without the broccoli pieces. So you can actually hide the vegetables. You can blend in some paneer, you can blend in some dal also. Is it mandatory to be a left-handed to be a good chef? I'm not left-handed, I'm right-handed. And there you go. So if you have any other questions, let me know about cooking pasta, cooking Italian. But this is how you incorporated healthy vegetables. You can do the same with rice. So once you make the sauce, you can also put rice into it. You can put barley, you can put quinoa, any kind of grain, and or any other kind of pasta as well. And that's the whole idea of incorporating vegetables and making them interesting, yummy, and healthy. So yeah, those of you who joined in late, I've just launched a book. It's called Fast, Fresh, Flavorful, Everyday Meals Made Easy. So it's just a sample cover. So you can buy this book on my Facebook page. This is one of the recipes in the book, and there's loads more recipes. There's a bit of Asian, a bit of Mexican, plus it gives you lots of practical tips in your kitchen to cook smart and manage your time. Yes, the pasta water needs to be salted. So if you have any questions, I'm now here for questions. Yes, you can retain the pasta water to add to the dish later. I have got the pasta water here. Thank you, David. So even the pasta water or the broccoli water, don't throw away any of your cooking water. There's lots of flavor in it. The pasta water has the starch and the salt, and it adds to the creamy texture of the sauce. Sheetal, I'm very fast. Is that good or bad? I can reduce. I don't know in which way you mean that I'm very fast. Is it a good fast, or is it I'm talking too fast? So yeah, there you go. That's the link of my cookbook. You can order it there. Fast, fresh, flavorful. My team has just put the link up for the for the book. Which cheese with pasta? Normally Parmesan, but that's imported. So I do like the Amul pizza cheese or the mozzarella cheese. That does go really well. Even when I do a lasagna or for pizza, I have been using the Amul mozzarella cheese or the Amul pizza cheese. Okay. Any more questions? The link to my book is up there if you want to have a look at what it's all about and order it. Would cream be preferable? You can put cream, but you know, I just put a little bit of milk. You can put cream, but it's just also higher fat. But the Amul fresh cream would work really well, so you could use Amul fresh cream. Okay, it's up to you. Milk is something I normally have in my fridge. Cream you would have to go out and buy. Not everyone has cream in their fridge, so cream or milk. Yes, Neville? Hope I answered your question. And tell me if you liked it. Give me a hands up, give me a thumbs up. Do comment. And if you have any other queries about cooking in general, I know everyone's cooking a lot during these lockdown times, so I'd be happy to help you. And thank you, Neville. So yeah, do go out, do go buy my book, have a look. If you want more easy, healthy recipes where you don't have to be in the kitchen all day, this book is for you. Fast, fresh, flavorful, everyday meals made easy. Yeah. General query: how do you store and unfreeze cheese? I do not freeze cheese. I do store it in the fridge. Make sure it's airtight and always in a Ziploc pack. Once you do open it, put it into a Ziploc bag. Otherwise, once it's exposed to air, it's gonna get dry and then eventually develop fungus. Yeah. Thank you, Madhu. Glad you like it. Those who joined late, we made this delicious pasta in the broccoli sauce using Amul milk and Amul cheese. I do use their products a lot. And I was saying you could do the same dish with peas, with spinach. You can even mix two vegetables together. Yes, we'll share the link to the book. The video will be there on the Amul Facebook page just after I log off. So you can try this recipe, but if you want similar recipes, just scroll up. We did share the link to my book, my newly launched book, Fast, Fresh, Flavorful. Thank you, Kalyan. It's more of a lunch recipe or dinner recipe. You're welcome, David. Glad you enjoyed. So any more questions, folks? Just on cooking in general. What are you cooking these days? You want to share with me what you're cooking? We have time, so we can chat a bit. Or tell me what you would like to make in another session. I'd be happy to do another session with Amul after this one, some other time. And if you don't have any more questions, then I'm gonna sign off and go eat this delicious pasta now because I haven't had lunch. And you guys go and buy my book. Lasagna, David, nice. We shall do lasagna next time. It takes a little long, so I have to ask Amul for some more time. But you can get the lasagna recipe in my cookbook, Fast, Fresh, Flavorful. It's there, the detailed lasagna recipe, because you got to make the tomato sauce, you have to make the white sauce, then the filling, either the meat or the vegetable filling, and then we put it all together and bake it. I also have a website, cucinamiabynatasha.com, www.cucinamiabynatasha.com, with the same name as my Facebook page. Marika, please put the link on there. Lots of recipes. I have a YouTube channel by the same name as well. So go check us out. And you get lots more recipes. Yeah, lasagna, peri-peri chicken, quiche, brownies. Wow, we could do lots of cooking sessions. Amul folks, I hope you're listening. Some breakfast recipes, great, we shall do that. And That's the name of my book, Fast, Fresh, Flavorful. We've just put up the link there. Cucina Mia by Natasha. That's also our website. If you just look in the comments, just click on the links or copy and paste it on your browser. That's the book. Bijal, it's vegetarian, vibrant vegetarian recipes from around the world using local ingredients from Indian ingredients, nothing fancy. I don't believe in very fancy ingredients. I believe in simple desi stuff. Support the local farmers and local vendors. So yeah, so we'll do some interesting stuff next time. Lasagna seems to be a popular one. There is an excellent lasagna recipe in my cookbook. Right? Thank you, folks. Thank you for joining in. If you have any more queries, let me know. Otherwise, I will sign off now. And I hope you make this broccoli recipe, this broccoli pasta. Just send in your pictures if you do on our website, on our Facebook page, just DM me, or my Instagram page. We are more active on Instagram. So if you are on Instagram, join us there at Cucina Mia by Natasha. And otherwise, join our Facebook page, of course. Bye. Have a good evening.